Today, I'm going to talk about immigration. A few days back, the communal rights happened in UK. Before that, there was a movement for Brexit, and the Brexit happened in UK. This was a strong indication of the anti-immigration feeling in the UK. But UK is not alone. Actually, anti-immigration movements are running across the Northern Europe, especially in Scandinavian countries. Xenophobia or anti-immigration movements are actually global phenomena, but Europe is special in the sense that the politics of immigration is much intense in Europe. And the causes are very obvious. For centuries, due to colonialism and the ideology of white man supremacy, they have been considering the other nations or other communities inferior, and now these inferior people are coming to their own lands and living with them. Before even colonialism, there were religious wars, just like wars between Christianity and Islam, for millennia. And they were fed on teachings that these Muslims are infidels, that these are unbelievers. So it's a bit hard for them to accept that now these peoples are living with them. Currently, the arguments which are forwarded are mostly cultural and economics. The cultural argument has its weights that actually these immigrants doesn't have any intentions of getting assimilated in the communities. So there is a truth in this that these communities have to assimilate to a certain extent in those communities to create a workable relationship or a livable environment for all the communities. So a level of assimilation is necessary. The other argument that they have taken our jobs. This argument is also partially true because due to technological changes world over, the jobs are replaced by machines. World over labor is facing this crunch. So there is partially true to the argument that these people are taking our welfare benefits or our lower jobs. But we have to look toward solutions now. The solution actually doesn't lie in erecting walls or creating boundaries or creating laws to stop immigrations, because a certain level of mobility is necessity of the global capitalism. In advanced stage of capitalism, the globalization need labor and human beings for its functioning. So there would be a need, always a need there for a certain level of mobility. But the immigration is mostly caused also by the wars and poverty, which is created by the global powers in a sense. And so we need global policies, economic policies, which should eradicate war and poverty in all regions. So definitely then the immigration flux would be much lower. But as an ultimate solution, we need global politics, global social movements, and global economic policies, which should bring different communities and different ethnic groups together into one global human community. And that human values should precede over national and ethnic values. We need more and more prevalence of human values and humanity or all other sort of values. So that is the only way out in the coming times as the world is becoming one and one due to globalizations and advancement in technology.